Ruby, can you tell me more? Tell me about your dreams. What did you dream about? Really? Did you sing any songs in your sleep? Did you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Are you singing the Itsy Bitsy Spider? Do you want to sing it? The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! That was so sweet. Really? Can you say bye-bye? Can you blow a kiss? Hey, Ruby, can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? I love you.